Here we are in the awesome new kitchen, fully remodeled. Our clients had a vision for a complete update of their beautiful home as it was. The color palette that our clients had in mind was white with navy accents, and that is evident here in the kitchen. We've got lower cabinets in a beautiful dark navy, which was also repeated on the exterior of the home. Notice the X factor here on the island, as well as the accessories in the chairs. It's a nice detail for consistency in the theme. This home's kitchen originally lacked an island. It had a peninsula and a traditional nook area. But we wanted to open this space up to the family room. So by removing this wall, we could create a large, ample-sized island. That's now the casual eating area. And notice the extended amount of cabinetry. Again, finding storage solutions, especially for a busy household and people who love to cook and entertain. Some of the details that you'll notice in this kitchen is the new finish of hardware in the luxe brushed gold finish that repeats in the pot filler, the faucets, and the cabinet hardware. Another beautiful detail is taking the cabinets all the way up to the ceiling, and we have backlit those cabinets with glass fronts, perfect for display.